Ever feel lost in a sea of business jargon? You're not alone. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of common professional phrases that can transform your client communication from confusing to confident. Stick around, and let's turn those intimidating terms into your new go-to tools for success. Can we catch up on where we are with the project?
Sure, let's chat tomorrow. Can we touch base to review the progress on the project? Absolutely, let's schedule it for tomorrow.
Switching from catch up to touch base makes your communication sound more polished and professional. This small change helps you maintain a formal tone, especially when discussing project updates in a business setting. Let's talk about this again once we have the data.
We can circle back to this topic once the data is available. By using circle back instead of talk about this again, you add a level of sophistication to your speech. It's a subtle but effective.
I'm really busy. Can we push this to later?
Sure, no problem.
Given my current workload, could we take this offline and discuss it at a later time?
Of course, we can schedule it for later.